By the way, in case you haven't figured it out, this is Lisa Cooks and Eats. That's right, guys. Haven't done this in a while. Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa, guys. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do something here. I am going to make some cauliflower chicken. What? You heard me. Cauliflower chicken. Yeah, how is it cauliflower chicken? It's meatless, guys. As you all know, I am a pescatarian. That means that I still eat seafood, but no meat. So I wanted to make this recipe last week, but you know, life happens and I got busy doing something else. I even took out ackee to make and banana, a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, but I wanted to try this, film it, you know. So what I have here is, I'm just gonna lay out all the ingredients right now, and I'm not even gonna talk that much in this video, try not to. But basically, snack on something before I get started. Cauliflower will be the main thing in this ingredient that is supposed to somehow turn into chicken for vegetarians or whatever. I asked my son if he had it before. He said yes. So I'm gonna attempt to make it for the first time. I have no idea what I'm doing, but wish me luck. I'm thinking, can I film without Mojo? You don't have to be a star, baby, to be in my show. What you're gonna do is just combine these flours. You will need cauliflower. Actually, this is gonna be a buffalo Cauli chicken. Maybe I should call it Cauli chicken.
Here are the ingredients: buffalo sauce, organic honey, coconut oil not pictured. You also need a head of cauliflower, salt and pepper, your choice of flour, paprika, your choice of milk. And I like to add spice, so I am adding some red crushed pepper flakes. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so I'm just debating if I should fry it or bake it. All the cauliflower has been properly coated. It's already peppery because I tasted just a little bit of the sauce to make sure that I have enough seasoning. I'm not a big fan of buffalo. Even when I used to eat chicken, never really cared for buffalo. I would have it once in a blue moon. If only this recipe was like Popeyes. Oh my gosh, then. Anyway, let's see how this tastes. I think it will come out good. Yeah, it's all in what you believe, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna fry a couple of pieces first and then see if I want to bake the rest. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm actually going to bake it. A lot of the recipes call for baking it, so I am going to bake it at 450 degrees Sorry for the lighting in here. How pretty this looks. Well, guess what? I did it wrong. I didn't read all the way down. So apparently I wasn't supposed to add the buffalo sauce. I'm supposed to add that and the honey at the end with the coconut oil and brush it on. Oh well, I do me, okay? We'll see how it comes out. Now I know for next time. I never read the instructions all the way through anyway. So anyway, we'll see how it comes out. I just want to know how it's going to bake and everything for the next time. And then I'm going to just get the dishes, clean up the kitchen, and all this flour that's spilled on the floor. So yeah, just a little bit, clean up the stove and wait for it should take 20 minutes. So let me put on the timer for 20 minutes here. Okay, 20 minutes and I'll clean up. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, I don't know why I didn't follow the recipe. I like cauliflower anyway as a whole. So what I did is that it tastes good. That's why they said to bake it by itself and not add the sauce, because the sauce kind of like caked up. See? Like the sauce was all left on the tray. So what I did was that I made like what they said at the end, the sauce with the honey and the coconut oil. Waiting for the coconut oil to melt. However, buffalo sauce on its own is very, very spicy. So I went ahead and added more spice on top of it. So I took the cauliflower, dip it in the sauce, and it has a kick to it. It's spicy. Would I make it again? Probably the right way. Don't add the sauce ahead of time. Just mix up the flour and everything else. Okay, I need some water. Because it's spicy. Okay guys, that's it for this episode of Lisa Cooks and Eats Buffalo Cauli chicken, fake Cauli chicken. Until next time, go, 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 go. And follow the recipe all the way through. I don't know why I didn't. I don't know. Just figure you just mix everything ahead of time. But then again, like I said, I don't really cook with buffalo. And would I have added the barbecue sauce ahead of time if this was regular chicken? Sometimes, and sometimes not. Sometimes accidents come out to be the best creations. But anyway, you go, 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 and live your life to the best that you can. Be safe. Love you all. Thank you all. Bye.